Good morning. This is Jess. Today I am going through my social media scheduling software and I'm doing a quick video again as kind of like a tutorial to show you exactly what I do when I'm going to schedule my content for the day. So I create my videos on TikTok. I don't have a big following because I simply started this just a little while ago. I have only used to do things on Instagram and Facebook, and I honestly kind of ignored Instagram for a while. So lately I've been working on my numbers of that and building my TikTok account. And I want to show you how to do this even if you have a really low following like I do, like where I have like one follower. Okay, so I want to show you that you can still do this and look, you can get some views, like 700 views or 0 views or 2 views. And I want to show you that this is like what a real account looks like when you first start, that you might get almost 800 views, like 3 away, and some you might get 23 or 3 or literally 0. Okay, so it's not that just because you don't have any followers, your things are not getting seen, because they are. All right, so I want to schedule some videos. I know that I had up till yesterday scheduled. Okay, and I use Metricool to do my scheduling. It's amazing. And I will put a link down in the description box for Metricool if you'd like to check it out. This is what I use. I'm going to show you how. So first thing is I go to my Instagram account, I click on Reels, and I look now to where my last post was. Okay, it was this one. Okay, and look, even on my Instagram, right? One person looked at this video on Instagram, but if I look on TikTok, almost 800 people looked at this video. And what was it on my YouTube? Let me just open my YouTube and hang on, pause. Okay, here's my YouTube shorts. And where's that video? Okay, it must not have gone to YouTube shorts. Sometimes I don't post some of the videos onto my YouTube if I don't feel like they're relevant. But like these are the videos that you would see if you were going to my YouTube channel and then you clicked on the shorts. Okay, so this was the last one that ended up on, and for some reason I did that one on YouTube and I didn't do it on TikTok. I'm still, like we're not perfect, right? We try our best, and that's what you need to be aware of, is that like don't try to always be perfect with what you're doing, because you know what, it's just not possible. But okay, so look, I know this was the last one I posted on Instagram, so I'm going to close my Instagram now and let's get to work. So I'm going to choose this video next. Okay, and I'm taking the link, copying it, and go to snaptic.app. Put your TikTok link in there. Click download. Just give it a second. It's going to give you all this spammy crap. Just ignore it. Just hit the blue download. Close the ads that pop up and get your download. So go to where you want to put it and save it to the file. Just close all these apps, and then um, when this thing is done, just hit back up here, the Snaptic, to get you back to the beginning here. Okay, go to the calendar, click on the day you want. So I'm going to click today. I'm going to click later on. So if you look at the colors, when it's light, it means there's not a lot of engagement, and when it's darker, it means there's more engagement. So if you click on, I want to click on where it's dark. So 3 p.m. on a Wednesday is good. So I'm going to click there. Now, grab your video from your downloads bar here and drag it in. Go back to your TikTok and copy whatever you put here for your text, okay, and your hashtags as well. And this is why if we do things in one place and then we can reuse it, so we're not doing more work. All right, so paste that in here into this text box area here. Now go through, I want Facebook reel, I want an Instagram reel, and I want a YouTube short. Okay, and Pinterest. Let's see here. Now we go down. Facebook, title, put the same text in there. Instagram is fine. Show as a reel. Yep. Pinterest. What do we want to do here? We're gonna just put the same title in there. I don't know if they're gonna, it says it's too big. So let's get some of these hashtags out until it's, maybe keep market day prep. And there we go. So where do I want to put this? I want to put it on my, maybe I should make, I'm just going to put it on my small business tips Pinterest board, and then I'm just going to link it to my website because it doesn't necessarily have any, I don't necessarily have a product for it. Okay, and YouTube, clicking here, we'll put the same thing, we post it in there, and it says it has to be 100 characters again, so I'm just deleting the hashtags, and okay, that says it's enough, and it's public, and no, it's not for kids, and then 3 p.m. Yep, and then you click save. So basically what I did is I took my TikTok video that I had made, and now I've changed it into a Facebook reel, an Instagram reel, a Pinterest pin, and a YouTube short. So I've reused it into 4 different pieces of content. I'm saving that now. And here you can see that it is scheduled for 3 p.m. today. So it's like 9 o'clock in the morning right now. And at 3 p.m. this is going to go out into 4 different platforms. And let me, so that's what I do. And so like tomorrow, I'm going to look on Thursday. And I'll do the exact same thing. I'll look for a darker area also, like right here, 4 p.m. on a Thursday is really good. So I'll click that, go to my YouTube, not YouTube, TikTok, grab the next video, grab the link, put it into SnapTik. Oops, that's not the right thing. I missed the link. Try again. Okay, there we go. Download that link, push this blue download, close these ads, wait a second, save the video, whip it when it's finished. I will pull it into there, but let's go back here, grab these hashtags and my caption, put it into my calendar here, and then change it to a Facebook reel, an Instagram reel, a YouTube short, the same thing. And then the video is finished downloading. I drag it in to the box there, and then I just do the exact same thing. I just make sure that there's no warning things here that's saying it's too long or anything like that. Some of these are going to be like too much, too long, and you'll just have to edit out some of the hashtags. So I'm just deleting some of these hashtags now, and I'll just put 3 tips for market. I missed too much, too many. Preparing for my setup. You know, you just go through this and choose the ones you want to have. Some, like, still there's some of them are still too long, so handmade products, I'll just get rid of maybe the Australia one. Okay, the Pinterest one is fine now. We'll do that in small business tips, and then we'll just do the same thing to their website. And maybe if I was a bit more prepared, instead of my website, I might want to redirect them to somewhere else, but you just do what works for you. Okay, same thing as here is that it will give you this red YouTube's. It's too long, it will tell you. So I'm just gonna delete some of these until they tell me it's okay. Still too much. Still too many. Still too many. I'll take out handmade business owner. There we go. Okay, and then no, it's not made for kids. It's going out then. Save that and done. And like if you don't want to like fuss with all the hashtags, then when you're going to here, you don't have to uh, copy them all. Maybe you could just copy like some of them or something like that. Just make it easier for yourself. So that's what we do to schedule posts. And now what I'm going to do basically is I will just do like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I have the rest of my week finished. And then the rest of my week, what I can do is just focus to going back onto my TikTok and recording new videos now. So hopefully this is helpful to you. It's still, there we go, almost finished. Now there, Wednesday and Thursday is done. And now I'll just continue on for Friday and Saturday. And with Metricool, they have 50 posts for their free account. So like here, it says I've done 12 out of 50. So every month you can publish 50 posts for free. So you don't have to upgrade. But their premium plan isn't very expensive in the long run of things if you are looking at other scheduling platforms. So you can pay, usually when you pay like the annual amounts, they're always cheaper than the monthly ones. So there's what it is, 120 euros or 15 euros a month, or for US dollars, it's 144 a year or 18 a month. And you can just have one account and then see how it says, you can put like 5 brands on it, and then there's different tiers. Like if you have lots of different businesses or something, you choose the tier that works good for you. But yeah, like I said, you don't have to. You can just use the free account, and then when you're planning, it gives you for 50 free posts, but also it has really cool analytics here, and it tells you your growth and things like that. So if I wanted to specifically track like Instagram, oh look, it's going up, 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 which is good. It tells you how many more followers you've got and how many posts you did and things like that. And it tells you your demographics and where they are and cool things like that. And you can see just mine for yourself, just because sometimes when you see things like this and you see the the people on YouTube who've got like 10 million followers, and it's like, that's impossible. I've just got 10. Like, I don't want to see an account that has 10,000. But if you just stay consistent with yourself, you can really improve, and pretty soon you'll have more than me, which is good. And I wish you the best with that. So there's a link for Metricool in the description. I'll put Snaptick as well, and try out this scheduling tool and save yourself some time. And if you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and thanks so much. Have a really awesome day. See you later.